The 30 KVA portable transformer from Larson Electronics is a temporary power distribution system that converts three-phase 480-volt AC delta electrical current into single-phase 120 or 240-volt AC. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard steel cart-style frame. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This temporary power distribution solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. All equipment is NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.